bursts through the door with a wiggle and cheer. If there's some chaos, he's surely near. Fluffy and smiling, a sunshine believer, the star of the house, that's our retriever. He loves to swim, to chase, to play. He'll turn your garden into a buffet. A leap, a splash, a clumsy spin. Graceful, not much, but full of grin. His heart's so big, it barely fits. And when he eats, well, he never quits. Your shoes, your socks, that morning mail, to him, it's all a fairy tale. He's loyal, gentle, a cuddle pro, but needy, oh, you'll soon know. Leave for 5 minutes, oh, the despair. He'll act like you vanished into thin air. He drinks too much, then floods the floor, brings mud inside and still wants more.